Legendary quest of Jason and the Argonauts. Jason, son of Aeson, knelt before the oracle of Delphi in the dimly lit chamber of the Iolcus palace. The high priestess, her eyes closed, spoke in a voice that echoed with ancient power. Jason, you are destined to reclaim your father's throne, but first you must sail to the ends of the earth and capture the Golden Fleece. Only then shall the throne be yours, and the gods will bless your kingdom. Jason's heart raced. The Golden Fleece, where is it? How can I find such a treasure? Beyond the land of the Colchians, where even the gods fear to tread. It is guarded by a dragon whose fire can melt steel. You must gather the greatest heroes to help you, and never falter. With resolve, Jason bowed. Then I will do it. I will gather the bravest of men and sail for the Golden Fleece. In Iolcus's bustling harbor, Jason stood at the bow of the Argo, addressing the assembled heroes. Brave men, we face the greatest of challenges, a quest for a treasure that can change the fate of the world. Will you join me? Heracles, towering and mighty, stepped forward. I will stand by you, Jason. My strength will break the chains of fate. Atalanta, fierce and skilled, added, I may be a woman, but my skill with a bow is unmatched. I shall prove my worth. Orpheus, the renowned musician, smiled, and I will calm the storms with my music, soothing both sea and soul. Jason's heart swelled with pride. Then we are ready, to the Golden Fleece. As the Argo set sail, the heroes faced many trials, ferocious storms, mythical creatures, and dangerous waters. With Heracles' strength, Atalanta's skills, and Orpheus' songs, they pressed on. Finally, they arrived at Colchis, a dark and mysterious land ruled by King Aetes. King Aetes, cold and calculating, gazed down upon them from his throne. So the heroes of Greece come seeking my Golden Fleece, he said. Why should I give it to you? Jason bowed. It is my destiny, your majesty. The oracle has spoken. I seek the fleece to restore my throne. Aetes chuckled darkly. Prove your worth. Complete 3 tasks, and the fleece is yours. Fail, and you will become my prisoners. The first task was to yoke 2 fire-breathing bulls. Jason struggled, but with Heracles' guidance, he tamed the beasts, earning the Argonauts' cheers. The second task required sowing dragons' teeth and fighting the warriors that sprang from the earth. Atalanta and Orpheus helped him strategize, and Jason fought bravely, though he was wounded in the process. 2 tasks done, Jason said, breathless. 1 remains. The final task was to slay the massive dragon guarding the fleece. Jason stood ready, sword in hand. But Medea, Aetes' daughter and a powerful sorceress, stepped forward. I can help you, she said softly. I have magic that will put the dragon to sleep, but in return I ask for your protection. My father will kill me once you take the fleece. Jason nodded. I swear I will protect you. Medea cast her spell, and the dragon fell into a deep slumber. Jason seized the Golden Fleece. The journey home was fraught with storms and betrayal, but Jason and his crew remained resolute. As they neared Iolcus, Jason was weary but triumphant. We have done it, my friends. The Golden Fleece is ours. We have faced the gods and monsters, and we stand victorious. Upon returning to Iolcus, Jason faced his greatest challenge, King Peleus, who had usurped his father's throne. Peleus sneered, You think you can reclaim the throne so easily? Jason held up the fleece. I have the Golden Fleece. Your reign ends today. With Medea's magic, Peleus was defeated, and Jason reclaimed his kingdom. As Jason stood on the balcony of his palace, the Golden Fleece proudly displayed behind him, he reflected on his journey. The gods gave me power, but it was not the fleece that made me king, he thought. It was the courage to face the impossible. Jason's legend would live on forever. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.